Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhuri. I am back again with my one more slime video under my tried and tested series. Today I am going to make slime with just 2 ingredients. And yes, this slime also works 100%. It just needs a lot of patience. Have you seen my DIY slime part 1 and 2? If not, please see them. I tried this recipe and failed twice. But then, with the help of one secret ingredient, I finally made this slime. So without further chatter mutter, let's start the video. I am using Fevicol to make this slime. Add Fevicol to a bowl. Now add Boroplus. Mix them together well. Keep on mixing it for 5 to 10 minutes. Its consistency will change. Keep on mixing it for 5 to 10 minutes. Its consistency will change like this. It's time to add my secret ingredient. That is oil. Take oil in your hands and start kneading the slime. It will take some time, but at the end, you will get a very stretchy and non-sticky slime. So, my slime is ready. Look how stretchy it is. I just can't stop playing with it. Try this great slime and enjoy at home. So finally, after a lot of kneading and by adding my secret ingredient, that is 1 to 2 drops of oil, I made this stretchy slime. You can add any color of your choice. I just wanted to make it simple, so I just used 2 ingredients. I am going to upload more DIY slime videos, so stay tuned. Hope you liked the video. तो ये था आज का स्लाइम ज्ञान. न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू. बाय.